Hi guys, here 30 divided by 3, here 10. Now 30 divided by 3 times 10, here 30 divided by, this is 30. 30 divided by 30 is 1. This answer is wrong. As per the order of operation, answer 1 is wrong. Now we are going to introduce that order of operations PEMDAS rule. Here, this is bracket, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here, multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also, this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this, we have to follow here left to right rule. Now, we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Now, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. So, we have to do this action before this. So, 30 divided by 3 times 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, we have division and multiplication. Both are equal priority here. For this, we have to follow here left to right rule. Left to right here is this action. So, this is 10 times this 10. Now we have 10 times 10 is 100 is the correct answer.